First, unplug the humidifier. Remove and rinse the water tank cover. Remove the water tank and pour out any water from the tank and base chamber. Next, remove the water filter from the tank. Separate the water filter sponge from the filter. Then, flip the water tank over and pull out the mist channel. Remove the float, noise silencer, absorption pad, and aroma box from the base. Rinse all parts with room temperature water. Make sure all parts are completely dry before reassembling. To reassemble, place the float back into the base chamber. Then place the absorption pad and the noise silencer back over the heating element. Secure the water filter sponge inside the water filter and place the filter back into the tank. Refill the tank and place it back onto the base with the tank cover. Plug in the humidifier and let the humidity begin.